How to play The Sims 4 multiplayer. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to play with your friends or any types of multiplayer mode on Sims 4. Now, first things first, Sims 4 developers doesn't have an actual immediate feature which you can play online or one of your friends. But what you can do is, of course, to use a mod. If you want to play with this friend, make sure that your friend also download this mod. Just simply open up any web browser available on your end and simply type in SimSync. Now it is usually located at the very first result. It will redirect you into the simsync.io's official site. So this is gonna be the file that you need to download first. Once you've successfully downloaded it, just simply extract the whole file, and this is where you'll have to uh, click and drag in it. Open your file manager into this PC, go into your local disk, program files 86, and then from here locate the Sims 4 folder, and then go into mods. And this is where you have to click and drag that specific file. And this is also where you need to run the game. Make sure that one of your friends also do the same thing so that you can play on the same server. And that's it. That's how you play multiplayer on Sims 4.